If you've always dreamed of having long, lustrous hair, these effective DIY remedies are your best bet to reduce damage and reverse hair loss. Not washing your hair the right way can lead to product buildup which clogs your pores, not allowing any moisture and nutrients to penetrate into your hair. So if you feel your hair growth is stunted, give this super quick DIY a try. Mix 2 tablespoons of coconut oil with 2 tablespoons of amla juice and 2 tablespoons of neem juice. While coconut oil nourishes your scalp and hair follicles, amla and neem juice thoroughly cleanse and detoxify your hair. Massage this gently on your hair and scalp and leave it on for 20 minutes and bring your hair back to life, except this time much silkier. For hair that is damaged and prone to hair fall, this trending mask will come to your rescue. Add 2 tablespoons of yogurt to 1 teaspoon of milk and mix it with a few drops of almond oil. Start applying the mix from the roots to the tips and wash it off with a mild shampoo after 30 minutes. This will make your hair smooth, strong and voluminous. Herbal hair rinses are packed with natural nutrients, minerals and antioxidants that breathe life back into dull and damaged hair. To make this easy hair growth rinse, you will need 7 to 8 shikakai seeds and some glycerin. Soak the shikakai seeds in water overnight before adding 2 tablespoons of glycerin. Known as the fruit for the hair, shikakai has great cleansing properties and is rich in antioxidants and vitamins that boost hair growth. Apply the mixture to your scalp and leave it on for 20 minutes. Rinse with your regular shampoo and try this remedy twice a week to achieve long and healthy hair. To combat dry, frizzy hair that refuses to grow, this DIY serum is just what you need. Boil curry leaves and tulsi leaves in some water and then strain it. Add some aloe vera gel and almond oil to this. Curry leaves are a rich source of beta-carotene and proteins that strengthen your hair. Tulsi is an antioxidant that helps rejuvenate lifeless strands, and the lubricating properties of almond oil keep damage and breakage away. Apply it on freshly washed hair and massage it on the roots. Give your hair a healthy sheen by using this serum twice a week. Although long hair cannot be achieved overnight, following a healthy diet and proper hair care regime can definitely hasten the process. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.